So, Atif is asking about sitting on a chair, reading the Qur'an, and in front of him people are praying their congregation. There's nothing wrong in that. Sitting on a chair, sitting on the floor, it's all the same. And he says, what's the ruling on sitting on the floor and extending your legs in the direction of the Qiblah? There is nothing wrong in that per se, but if there are elders around you who may not understand, it is safer for you not to do this, because some people would think that this is disrespecting the Qiblah, and there isn't any such thing as that. You can sleep in your home with your feet in the direction of the Qiblah. There's nothing wrong in that. There's no hadith, no ayah, no saying from the companions, may Allah be pleased with them. So you cannot just simply dislike something through or from thin air. However, some of the elders may not understand. Arguing with them would harden your heart. So avoid this if they're around you, and don't do it. Otherwise, you can do that in no problem, inshallah.